So over here in the media section, you can see that I have a bunch of media files right here, mainly videos and audio. So let me just go around and then pull this out, or maybe let me just go around and then float out this panel right here so I can see it separately, as you can see in detail. So now what you can do over here is you can see that there's a lot of media over here, and over time you may have a lot more clips as you work along with different projects. And you may want to add in more clips as you progress through your project. And maybe you are trying to search for a particular video or an audio and you don't know where they are. Then what you can simply do is you can go around and then search for those media files by going around over here. Let's say I want to search for let's say for example, let me type in W right here, water. So let's just go around and search for water. And as I type it in, you can see that under audio and video, you can see that water, that is the file with the name water, pops up right here, just like this. If I were to go around and type in 8, then you can see that I get 8-year anniversary on the top right here. But other files with the number 8 show up as well. Let me type in underscore and it filters it out onto the file name with 8 underscore in them. So here you can see that there's 8 underscore right here, 8-year anniversary, and that is how you can go around and then search out for media files as you like. So that is what you have. So another thing that you can do is you can go around and sort it out. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that you have an option to sort out the content right here, the media files, in an ascending or a descending order. If I were to go around and click, you can see W is at the top right here, meaning it'll sort out everything from Z to A on the basis of file name. If I were to go around and click again, now you get the numbers first and the A will be at the beginning. In my case, B is at the beginning, so you can see that it has B, then it has F, and so forth right here. If I were to go around over here and type in 8, let's say for example, all of the contents with 8 appears, and for this as well, you can go around and sort it out. So let's just go around, type in Z right here, and everything with Z pops up. And you can see that all of the contents right here gets divided into audio and video and images right here. So you can go around and collapse it and expand this over here as well. So when you search, you can see that it gets divided into folder as well, just like this. So that is what you have. So you have all of these, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and then just search for the media files as you like inside of HitFilm, and even sort it out as you like, as you can see from over here. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.